Weather Service in Green has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire, southwestern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire until 6:50.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Green has issued a flash flood watch for portions of southern New Hampshire, including the following areas: in New Hampshire, western and central Hillsborough; in southern New Hampshire, Cheshire and eastern Hillsborough. Until 10 p.m. this evening, thunderstorms with heavy rainfall will continue to move over southern New Hampshire this evening.
First flash flood watch of the year.
The National Weather